In 2025, Hyundai has taken a bold step into the world of adventure mobility with its latest innovation, the 2025 Hyundai Motorhome. This isn't just a recreational vehicle. It's a modern interpretation of what it means to travel in comfort, style, and sustainability. Hyundai has built a reputation for quality engineering and futuristic design, and they've poured all that experience into creating a motorhome that looks sleek, performs reliably, and offers premium utility for both families and solo travelers. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Hyundai Motorhome is truly a head-turner. It merges the aerodynamic lines of a luxury SUV with the bold presence of a full-sized camper. From the front, you're met with a signature LED light bar that stretches across the grille, giving it a futuristic and aggressive face. The body is wrapped in a matte satin metallic finish, giving it a rugged yet upscale appearance. Integrated solar panels line the roof, which not only power internal electronics, but also contribute to the vehicle's hybrid charging system. Large panoramic windows run along both sides, offering both incredible natural light inside and a clean, open look from the outside. The build quality is impressive. Hyundai has used high-strength lightweight aluminum for the body structure and reinforced it with carbon fiber panels in high-stress areas. The motorhome sits on a newly developed chassis, purpose-built for enhanced ride comfort and off-road capability. You'll also notice the air suspension system, which adjusts automatically based on terrain, optimizing clearance and stability. The side panels feature retractable awnings, automatic steps, and modular external storage compartments, everything you need for life on the move. Under the hood, the 2025 Hyundai Motorhome delivers performance that surprises. It comes equipped with a hybrid drivetrain, pairing a 3.5-liter V6 engine with a dual electric motor system. Together, they generate up to 420 horsepower, giving the vehicle enough strength to tow additional gear, a boat, or even a small car. The electric-only mode offers a range of nearly 100 kilometers, perfect for short city trips or campsite errands. On longer drives, the hybrid mode ensures optimal fuel efficiency, achieving around 22 miles per gallon, which is quite efficient for a vehicle of this size. Hyundai also offers an all-electric variant with an estimated range of up to 280 miles on a full charge. This version is equipped with ultra-fast DC charging capabilities, allowing you to go from 10 to 80% battery in under 45 minutes. For those venturing into remote areas, the onboard solar panels and a built-in auxiliary power unit help maintain charge levels for critical systems like refrigeration, lighting, and climate control. The driving experience is smooth and confident, thanks to adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, and 360-degree cameras. The Hyundai Motorhome feels more like piloting a luxury SUV than driving a large camper. The suspension system does a great job minimizing road vibrations, and with noise-canceling materials integrated into the cabin structure, highway travel is remarkably quiet and refined. Safety remains a top priority. The motorhome includes Hyundai's SmartSense suite, offering features like forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alerts, and emergency automatic braking. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or backing into a tight campsite, the vehicle assists with intuitive alerts and semi-autonomous features that make the experience effortless. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Hyundai Motorhome starts at approximately $94,000 for the base hybrid model. This includes the Essentials hybrid powertrain, full kitchenette, convertible sleeping area, and high-tech infotainment. Upgraded trims with all-electric power, solar expansion, luxury interior upgrades, and premium exterior accessories can push the price to around $130,000. Considering its futuristic tech, sustainable energy systems, and versatile living features, this price tag is competitive when compared to other motorhomes in its class. Buyers can also choose between two-length standard and extended wheelbase, depending on how much room and sleeping capacity they need. Hyundai offers an optional remote working module as well, turning part of the motorhome into a mobile office equipped with a standing desk, 5G Wi-Fi, and privacy blinds. What Hyundai has accomplished with this 2025 model is more than just building a motorhome. They've crafted a mobile lifestyle solution for modern adventurers. It bridges the gap between eco-conscious travel and luxury convenience. Whether you're planning cross-country road trips, off-grid weekends, or working while exploring, this vehicle offers the flexibility and dependability you'd expect from a top-tier automotive brand. If you're someone looking to blend mobility, sustainability, and comfort in one package, the 2025 Hyundai Motorhome might just be your perfect match. From its bold design to powerful hybrid performance and smart energy systems, this is more than just a vehicle, it's a new way to experience the world.